Hi, my name is Jeff Bostic. This year at Franklin Academy, I will be teaching standard chemistry, physical science, and a blended honors and standard physics class. This is my first year at Franklin Academy and my 13th year teaching. My degree is in chemistry with a medical science focus, and I entered teaching as a lateral entry teacher. I spent about 14 years working in industry as a technical manager in the polymers area, and I relocated to the Raleigh area last year. And I spent the last year teaching standard and honors chemistry at Enloe Magnet School. Prior to Enloe, I taught 11 years at Clover Garden School in Alamance County, which is the same county where you would find Elon University. My diverse science background from college enabled me to help grow the Clover Garden Science program from their beginnings. And over those 11 years, I taught a very diverse set of classes over my career, including marine science, earth science, chem, bio, physics, A&P, AP Chem, and AP Bio. I'm so happy to join the extremely talented folks here at Franklin Academy. Some highlights of my professional career include being selected as the Alamance County Teacher of the Year in the 2018-2019 school year, and I also went on to compete against other teachers to earn the Area 5 Piedmont Triad Teacher of the Year award as well. On a more personal note, I have 3 almost grown children. 2 are still pursuing college degrees at UNCW, 1 in chemistry, and the other working towards a master's in physical therapy. My third one just graduated UNC Asheville with a computer science degree. When I'm not teaching, you'll find me running, biking, and when the pools open back up, swimming. I love the sport of triathlon and have competed in an Ironman triathlon. I also love soccer and hung up my coaching career, my hat and the coaching career after 16 years. But I do have this distant memory of a Franklin Academy match very early in my Clover Garden career, though I can't seem to remember the outcome. I look forward to teaching your student. I value parent interaction, and I feel that having a strong parent-teacher relationship has an impact on student success. During these unprecedented times of reduced face-to-face interaction, please communicate with me. I welcome and value your communication. Thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to working with you this school year.